everyone. I have two special guests here on the channel. I'm going to let them introduce themselves. And I will tell you guys what we will be doing in this video.
Hi guys, I'm Diwu and I'm Mayo's friend. Wow, you guys don't know her as Mayo, but she's Mayo.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Anashe and I'm also Thato's friend.
You may have seen Anashe on the graduation vlog, but
I'm
this is my other day one. So if you guys haven't watched that vlog, I'm going to leave a card up there and then you can watch it. So basically we're just going to be doing a mini mukbang, you know, with some McD. Hey, yes. And to be saying, it's just going to be asking some fire questions, really fun. There's nothing really specific. It's going to be on the spot. We haven't seen these questions at all. So you're going to get our first time reaction right here on the camera. Okay.
Alright, should we get
go.
right into it?
Yes.
Okay, the first question is really basic, but I'm really interested, not just you guys, but comments also. So it's, where do you buy your jeans?
What?
No, honestly, I can literally never find a proper pair of jeans ever, which fits everywhere properly.
Honestly, I only have like 2 pair of good jeans because like I also struggle to buy jeans, but apparently the Fix has really good jeans. Yeah. So maybe
the Fix
like Topshop, when Topshop was still a thing in South Africa, was a plug. Now I have no idea, I guess.
I don't buy jeans.
Just go to a lot of shops, guys. Hey.
You don't buy jeans, you don't wear jeans.
I only have 2.
Okay, fashion icon.
Not even. I just don't like that struggle of looking for jeans. It's annoying.
Okay, next question. If you could wish anything or do anything, what would it be?
If you could,
Life is hard.
Wish anything or do anything, what would it be? Wow, guys.
No, actually.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Go.
I would probably wish that I was a millionaire or like a billionaire. Like, let's just get some like instant money.
Girl, billionaire
like
upwards.
billionaire, trillionaire, like wealth, guys.
Okay.
Wealth.
And you?
Yeah. What would you do?
I'd want to be invisible.
What?
Yeah.
Why are you so shocked?
No, because I'm like, they said anything at all.
No, like I'd want to be invisible at like specific times. Like I can just switch it on, not like all the time.
Okay.
You can learn from the billionaires, the trillionaires. You can get the money. You can travel anywhere. You can go anywhere. You can get anything. Anything you touch becomes invisible.
Go with the plan.
Yes. You want to be a magician?
Basically.
I'm gonna get the moolah. I'm gonna get the land.
As I eat my burger.
Question number 3. Are you a flirt?
Thato?
Well, since we're being honest.
Oh, I'm being honest.
I never knew this about you.
What? I feel like it's so obvious.
That she's a flirt?
Yes, like yo.
Wow, you're just so sweet. I just assume you're one of those blushing types,
Yes,
you
no.
know?
No. This one.
I'm not sure.
I know, genuine. I feel like you can tell. Like you can see.
That she likes things.
Yeah.
Hey.
But like low key, but like it's there.
Are you a flirt?
No.
Like 0?
I said no. This question.
Okay.
I'm not a flirt either.
Yeah, she's lying.
Umaka.
Like she's lying.
Okay. This one, I want to hear your answers. Are you the type of friend you would like to have as a friend?
Of course. Yo. Guys, I'm a nice friend. Like,
She is. She's like my favorite. Sorry.
Because
Sorry,
I bought
I'm
it
like-
McDonald's.
We're also friends, so this doesn't make sense. Like,
I
this
don't
doesn't
have
make sense.
favorites.
Wow.
And you? If you say yes.
I'm chewing. Okay, what I mean.
Okay, while you chew. I don't know if I'm the type of friend I'd want. I think I could do better, not just in my friendships, just in my life. I'm not bad though,
sorry.
I think.
I would probably. Okay, yes. What was the question actually?
Are you the type of friend that you'd like Are you the type of friend you would like to have as a friend?
Yes, because I feel like I'm low key, like a little spicy. So
Very.
like, I would want that in my life, and like match the energy.
Oh yeah, if we're gonna be serious about the question and talk about like good qualities, then yes, because I think I'm very honest, and
Yeah.
A
people
little too much.
don't like being honest these days. People lie about
People don't
the
like the
dumbest
truth.
things. Don't like the truth.
Yep.
Next question.
Okay. If you could have complete knowledge of any 5 things,
Oh my
okay, you
gosh.
don't have to make it 5. 5 is a bit too much.
Like 3.
What would you want to know? So think about this one. Like you could have complete knowledge of anything. What would that thing be?
She's what me say.
How to make money. Proper.
Yeah, this girl.
Proper dollar, not pounds. Pounds.
Yeah, euros, pounds, where they.
What else? 5. Okay, we can just mention 5 amongst ourselves.
Okay. Knowledge about anything.
I would want to know about like spirituality. I know it sounds very broad,
But
but
like completely.
yeah, it's like
why God?
not just like Christianity, like everything. Why things are the way they are? Because to me, it doesn't make sense that there's so many religions and people actually truly believe their religions work. Like
That's the tea.
also things like with Africans and Christianity, but there's also like ancestors. Because like these things happen, guys. Like it's weird, and I'd like to know what exactly is going on because it's a mess.
Like, where's the truth, guys?
I still think the truth is Jesus, though. But there's like something else going
We
on.
respect everyone's views and
Yeah,
opinions
like,
and beliefs.
That goes without
We
saying.
respect
Throw
everyone.
that in there.
Anything at all. I'm trying to think. I think the first thing that came to mind was just like astrology for some weird reason.
Astrology, like
Yeah.
you want to know about the stars.
Yeah. I don't know why. But we're bored.
You can Google that, friend.
Well, okay. I don't know, guys.
Okay, well, there's I guess the stuff
I don't
beyond
know.
Googling.
I have no idea. Like, I literally have no idea.
Okay, what's something you're interested in?
Like everything, guys. Oh, I have no answer for this one. Next.
Wow. Thank you.
Next.
That was late, but thanks.
I'm sorry, I was trying to.
Well,
get my-
actually, haven't you guys always wondered about the books of the Bible that we haven't seen that add?
Oh,
Oh.
but you can go read about that. That's not like knowledge you can't get.
I wanna see
Actually,
Yeah, you can find them.
I would want to know about all the other miracles Jesus performed. Because it says not even all the books in this world can contain what he did.
Yeah.
I
Guys, it's
didn't
getting a
know
bit
that.
churchy. We're sorry, guys.
Why are you sorry? Okay. What song would you choose as your anthem and why? Like your personal anthem? Like for your life? Maybe
Sure. But I have moments in my life, you know. Sometimes I feel like I'm Cardi B, you know.
Bit of Cardi.
You know, but
Just a little bit of Cardi.
you know. And then I feel like I can run the world like Beyonce, you know. Yeah, there's just I can't pick
I'm trying to think. Like an anthem where you're just like, this is it, guys.
Okay, when you put it that way, there's so much pressure now.
You
Because
see, that's what
I was just thinking of like a song that's
Yeah,
even
pick a
if
song.
it doesn't describe like every aspect of your life, just in general, like a song that you're like, oh, I think this describes me.
Yeah.
I'd pick Janelle Monáe. I like that.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Sure.
a song, guys.
Okay, I answered that.
Honestly, at this point, I just wish I saw the questions beforehand. Like,
Yeah, because
some prep time.
now you're sitting here like, oh, I don't know.
Exactly, like, and it's annoying now. Like,
And actually just one, not even one. Okay, for maybe
like the current era of my life
yeah.
would be. You see, okay, this is the real issue. I listen to very sad songs. Like, I like sad music
You do.
because I feel like people who sing sad music, like you can, like those people can sing, guys. Like they're talented. So that's what I listen to. But I wouldn't pick a sad song like as my anthem because, like, what the hell?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Alright, moving right along. If you could ask your future self from the year 2050 one question, what would it be? Okay, first of all, let's establish how old you'll be in 2050.
Yeah, you're going to So next year.
Just add 50 years to your age now. you'll be like 70.
I know, didn't you say 2050?
What kind of math is that?
Wow!
Wait a minute. That's 30 years. So I'm gonna come from 2020. So then just add 3.
Oh,
10, 30 years.
I'm clearly living in 2000. But yeah.
Wow. Just add 50, guys.
So we'll be 53. 52.
I'll be 52. She'll be old.
I'll be 49.
No,
So yeah.
What you mean, sis?
We'll both be 52, guys.
I'll be the wise one, so I will advise them. 53. Sorry, what was the question?
What would
If you could
yourself?
ask your future self one question, what would it be?
Only one question.
Yeah.
Okay, I would have a few.
Okay.
But like the first one would probably be like, girl, when did you make your money? Like, when did things pop off? Like, what happened? Like, what was that big idea that just sparked everything? I'd probably ask her if she's happy, because I feel like people as they grow older, like, guys, life hits you. So I'd hope that she's happy and successful and enjoying life.
Just one. Jeez.
That's
So
the
I can
thing.
do multiple.
Okay. The first question I would ask is, was he the one?
I was a drama.
So yes. I'd like to
What
believe
if she says
I'll
no?
be in like over a decade or over 2 decades of marriage.
Okay, so I'm there.
The person I'm with, like, is he the one? You know?
What if she says no?
Hey, and I shall get to it.
Okay.
Wait, don't stress me.
Guys, the one doesn't exist. You create the one. Not create, because that sounds like you're Bob the Builder, but like.
But you develop.
Yeah, I feel like anyone can be the one.
Yeah, you just decide
Yeah.
that, hey, I'm gonna do this.
No, but some people can just be crap people. You're stuck with it if you want to be stuck with it.
If you want to be.
If you want to be. And another question I would ask her is, every decision that you've made, has it made you happy?
Every single one.
Okay, not every single
big
one,
ones.
like the big ones, like, you know, goals and aspirations.
Oh.
You know, did I go after it full force? Am I happy
Yes.
with what
I feel like
accomplished?
you need to ask her what she regrets also. Like things she regrets, like decisions she regrets making.
No, but then if you ask that, you're not gonna live.
You will.
Because you're like, oh, she said she regretted this, so I'm not gonna do it. Just do it.
Okay.
No regret.
This is our little just do it sponsor over here. Can I please sponsor us?
Thanks.
Please.
I would ask like logical questions, like sort of links to yours, like stuff like, am I gonna get divorced? If the answer is yes, then I will never get married.
Which means you'll never live because you like. What if you're in your second marriage?
No, but I feel like that not from an emotional point of view, just
Yeah.
like logical things. Is like, let me not waste my time. Then let me like move on.
What if the next husband's the one?
No, but divorced, I mean, as in like, am I gonna die alone?
Oh, okay.
Yo, that's somber.
That is not my life.
I don't know what else I'd ask. I think I was about to say is am I fine with my profession? But I don't know if I want to know the answer to that question, because I really want to be one thing and one thing only. My plan A is my plan B, is my plan C, is my plan D. So
Jay, it was work out first.
yeah, it needs to work out.
And it will.
Yeah, definitely. Would you rather travel for the rest of your life, only staying in one place for like 3 months, or never leave your home state again? So you're in Gauteng.
The first one.
But every 3 months you're getting out and going somewhere
Compared
else.
to
Yes,
being
you're
limited.
living life spontaneously. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm someone who gets bored very quickly.
You're Miss Spontaneous.
I think it's
For
because
the YouTube viewers.
it's not even like that. Like, I've moved around a lot in my life,
You're not right.
and because of that, it's added spontaneity, I guess. And I can't be in one place for
Yeah,
too long.
you're literally always on the move.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah.
Like you never know where Mayo is.
I'm almost done with Gauteng. Like, I've almost
good.
finished it. Jay. I've learned to,
Like
a lot of
everywhere.
promise.
Joburg raised me.
So I guess that's me. Yeah.
Probably the traveling one because like yo guys, that's painful. One place, your entire life.
Yeah.
And some people, like, it's a fact. They'll never leave their hometown.
But that's
They'll die
sad. Like that is yo guys, no.
It's not really sad. I think like some people can make it work. Like never leaving home. Like it's not a big deal. Like with okay, I was about to say you South Africans. That sounds so bad. But no, I don't mean it like that. But
That's true.
no.
By the
listen to
way,
my
do
sister.
things from Lesotho. If you
It's
guys
on
haven't
Lesotho and
lost.
Like there's this thing that South Africans don't have passports, or you guys don't like find it as like it's not a necessity, like it's not urgent to get a passport. Whereas at home, if you don't have a passport, it's like, what are you doing? But I guess because we're always this side.
That's my thing. I'm like, why are they all trying to leave? Why are they all trying to leave?
Never.
It's basically a province, guys.
Says province number 10.
No, but it'll be fun. Like imagine, like a little,
Okay.
just dissolve the water. Okay, it's a bit offensive now.
We want our land back, South Africans. Once you get it back from the people.
This is not meant to be political in any way, shape, or form.
Sorry,
Okay.
guys. This is not what I condone on this channel.
Wow, I'm
We
sorry.
do not support this message.
The views of Doomsday do not come on this channel.
The music
And they are
spread.
solely and solely from Doomsday.
I'm a brand.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. What is harder for you, facing someone when telling him or her the way you feel, or facing someone when they are telling you the way they feel? And I don't mean like relationships, just in general.
I think it's when I have to tell them.
Really?
I don't like confrontation. I
Yo,
really
Mayo's
don't.
such a
guys,
peacemaker.
it's-
I'm the mediator, like
Yeah, but it's not nice if like I'm in an argument with Adashi or something and I need her on my team. And she's just like,
But you can't take teams
No,
though. Like,
babes.
we can't take
I'm
teams.
Japan.
Wow. Can't take sides, guys.
I'm here. I'm in Japan and the world.
even if like your argument is dumb.
But I feel like we always have very dumb arguments. But you see, we worked through it and we're still here.
Here we are,
Oh, so here.
5 years later.
Okay, I think for me it'll probably be the reverse.
Someone telling you.
Yeah. Because I feel like that's not like a confrontation is easy. Like it's so easy to go up to someone and be like, listen, this is how I feel.
Guys, the one time we had to tell our friend her boyfriend's cheating. Who had to do it? Me. Because no one wanted to do it, okay? It wasn't nice.
Really didn't play out
It
like
wasn't
that.
nice,
We
yes.
didn't want to do it. That doesn't sound like me. Next question, a more wholesome question. Even though I didn't answer the previous one, but I'm more confrontational, so it doesn't scare me when people want to talk to me. Or you know how people get anxious when they get the "we need to talk" text? Why, guys? Why are you scared?
Oh gosh, you. Next question.
4 dangerous words.
Did you answer?
Honestly, just you don't hear me.
This is how our friendship is. Our friendship in one sentence. Okay.